Welcome dear participants. Welcome to this workshop on Organic Spectroscopy. This is Arokya Napoleon Raj from the Department of Chemistry, Sacred College, Tirupattur. This is the outline of the course. We are going to see less theory but more practice on structural elucidation of the compounds. The theory is also very important to understand all the techniques, but we expect that you learn the theories by yourself. It is available in many platforms, and therefore we are going to practice more on this workshop. And another thing I would like to say is we are not going to take any live sessions because many colleges have started their online courses for their students. Both students and faculties are finding difficult to attend the workshop at a particular date and particular time. Therefore, we decided that we will record the sessions and we will upload the video in the YouTube. We will share the link for your access. You can watch the video at your convenience and answer the quiz at your convenience. That flexibility is given in this workshop in order to make you learn. Our aim is learning, not restricting to at a particular time. Learning has to take place effectively, and therefore this flexibility is given in this workshop. And the lecture videos will be shared on Monday, Wednesday, Friday around at 10 a.m. and the quizzes and the assignments will be on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. That is, for Monday's lecture you will have a quiz and assignment on Tuesday. Around at 2 p.m. you can take your own time and you can answer till 8 p.m. Okay, this is how the course will proceed. The lecture videos will be shared both in WhatsApp group and as well as in Google Classroom. But the quizzes and assignments will be available only in the Google Classroom. You can answer there, right? And there will be a final examination at the end of the workshop. You may expect that at around 10th September that will be intimated to you. Next, we shall see the schedule of the course. This is how we are going to progress. We will take element analysis one day, and that means one day element analysis and quiz in the following day, and therefore it will take one lecture will take 2 days. And similarly, mass spectra 1 and UV visible 1, we will take IR for 2 sessions. NMR will be 2, maybe more. If required, we will take more sessions on NMR. Okay, this is how we are going to progress. And we will take around 7 to 8 sessions on structural elucidation of compounds. In all these sessions, element analysis, mass UV, in all these sessions, we will take up some principles, theories, and interpretation of individual spectra. But in the remaining structural elucidation of compounds, we will collectively take all the data from all the spectra and we will elucidate the compounds. And in the lecture, I will elucidate around 2 to 3 compounds, and in the quiz and assignment, you will elucidate 2 to 3 compounds. And therefore, in a single session, we will around 6 to 7, 8 compounds we will take up. If the compounds are simple, we will take more than 8. And if the compounds are little complicated, we will reduce the number of compounds to be elucidated. We will, okay, I think I understand. I will take 3, you will take 3. This is how we will progress in this schedule. I think I'm clear. The next thing I would like to give some information about quiz and assignment. Mostly the questions will be from the lecture, and therefore watch the lecture throughout fully so that you can answer all the questions. And while answering the questions, and make sure there is more than one correct answer is possible. For example, if I give 4 options for a question, The correct answer may be 1. The correct may be 1, or there may be 2 correct answer, or maybe 3 correct answer, or all the 4 may be correct answers. And therefore you have to carefully look, study the question and read the question, and you have to answer. If you are clear only one answer, then you click only one answer. If you think there are 2 answers which are correct, then you have to click 2 answers. You must be very careful on that, because even if you click one incorrect option, if there is 2 correct answers, you clicked one but you didn't click another, that means the answer is wrong. This is how that Google form work, and therefore it is your duty to go through the lecture fully. You have 2 days to go through the lecture, and therefore go through the lecture 1 or 2 times, no issue, and answer. This is for your practice, because we will like you to practice more, so that at the end of the course you can elucidate structure of any organic compounds using spectra. That's our aim. Therefore we would like to make you to learn perfectly. That's why we made this arrangement. I think I'm clear. Thank you. Happy learning. We shall see in the next lecture. Thank you.